Hi guys, welcome to Lucidity TV Studio. I'm here to present you our new lens designs. Many of you might be tired of seeing the same kind of lights on every vehicle. We're trying to be the one throwing a stone into the calm lake. As you can see these lamps here, 22862 heated LED work lamp with snowflake optical design. 26095 LED rear combination lamp with glow track optical design. 22078 with turbo optical design. These unique lens designs can make your vehicle stand out from the masses. Now I'm going to show you our latest creative LED rear lamp, number 26097. The kaleidoscope optical design can place different beam patterns in the same luminous area. The lamp will show pedal optical design for tail, shows firefly optical design for directional indicator. Number 26097, 5-in-1 combo featured LED rear lamp includes tail, directional, stop, fog, and reverse functions suitable for both right-handed drive and left-handed drive. Now you know the number 26097 LED rear lamp from Lucidity. Business and innovation evolve to simplicity. I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.
Lucidity.